What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. Today I'm going to unbox and do a first impression of a fragrance that was gifted to me by the house of Hayati New York. This is a relatively new house and they are based out of the United States of America. All the products they have on their website, everything is prepared, made, bottled, and shipped only from the United States of America. Good job over there. This is the fragrance package that they sent me. It's a gifted bottle, but like always, Brian's Broadcast is not going to be biased because something was sent for free. So the fragrance they sent me, I can tell it's called Rendezvous A New York because they wrap up the fragrance with such a nice, precise packaging, gift wrapped. They also give you like a 10 ml travel size that comes for free with every order. Like anytime you order, they will give you this thing, a 10 ml size of your purchased fragrance for free, and they also include a 2 ml size so that you can try this fragrance, and if you don't like it, of course you can do a free return. Shipping is always free, and there's always like a mystery sample thing that's sent over. I think this is also a 2 ml size in a little pouch. Beautiful presentation, touches, and the generous gift. Hayati New York, thank you so much for your generosity. Let's go ahead and unbox this beautiful fragrance. Nothing more pleasant than unboxing a brand new fragrance. Alright, look at this premium presentation. Gold, it's almost like a teal color. Beautiful, like to the touch, it feels so much premium. Guys, there's also like a sale going on their website, and I think as of August there's a 15% extra that's getting discounted from the full retail prices. Go ahead and take advantage of that. Look at this beautiful presentation. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. As you open the box, the fragrance sits right there and the logo of the company is right there. Very, very premium. Now, of course, when I posted my first impression and unboxing of the other two fragrances that I purchased, a lot of you commented that, hey, this is like an Electimus bottle. Guys, let me tell you, it might somewhat resemble, but it's very much different, like in a whole different manner. Just look at this beautiful bottle. The cap is different, even on in the front you'll see the things are very much different. I mean, come on, don't go after those things. And by the way, this house is not cloning anything, so everything that you smell is authentic. I can assure you that much. Look at this detailed cap, very nicely machined. I don't know if this light is going to show you, but then again, I'm going to show everything in my full review. This is only a first impression. Beautiful, like there's a golden metal part on the top. The bottom has this nice logo. It's a very nice and solid presentation. 75 ml bottles, and the cap locks into place. I don't know if you can hear that. Beautiful stuff. Let's go ahead and spray this baby. But first, let me read out the notes to you from the website. On the top, you've got saffron and sandalwood. On the mids, you've got papyrus and cedarwood. On the base, you've got amber. So it seems to be like a very pretty straightforward fragrance with a lot of woods and some spiciness. Let's go ahead, spray this baby, and let's see what it smells like. Here goes. I'm gonna go directly on skin. The atomizers are really nice on these. Look at that. So up front, the saffron is like that sweet, mild, spicy saffron. The sandalwood has this creamy, dry, creamy kind of texture. It's not one of your succulent, like a wet kind of texture. It's more on the creamy, dry, creamy side. You can feel it right away. Beautiful opening, like the spicy opening from the saffron is beautifully done, I must say. You can feel some kind of like a mysterious vibe, almost like a paper kind of tone, and I think this is where the papyrus is coming in. The cedarwood is giving kind of like a dry, woody, maybe some kind of smokiness going on. Lovely. There's some kind of a beautiful freshness to it too. Like there's no citrus part, but there's like a wonderful freshness. So it's more like that fresh sandalwood with that fresh spicy vibe from the saffron. Guys, Rendezvous A New York, a beautiful creation from the house of Hayati New York. Go ahead and check out their website. It's gonna be in the description below. Go ahead and check them out. Like a very pleasant thing, and I have honestly never smelled anything like this. Some people might say that the notes seem similar to something else, but hey, remember the concentration, the combination. I mean, the notes could be same, but the whole outcome is different when the percentages change. Wonderful stuff, like very unisex, very well balanced. Anybody can pull this off. Very easy to wear, very versatile. I guess the ambery vibe will come in later in the dry down, but it's only the first impression, so I'm getting only the top notes, some mix of that mids in the opening, but it has this nice, creamy yet dry kind of texture. There's this woodiness. Wonderful. And there's like I said, there's a wonderful freshness to this fragrance. Feels heavenly. I was under the impression when I saw the note of papyrus, I was under the impression it's probably gonna smell like, like earthy, dirty, or, like old kind of vibe, but not at all. It's very, very different. Almost has that saffron and almond kind of vibe, like not the full almond, but like if you slice through the almond and the kind of smell, the nice creamy kind of smell that comes out, it's not that bitter almond, not the full nutty almond. Wonderful stuff. So guys, that was my unboxing and first impression of Rendezvous A New York from the house of Hayati New York. Wonderful house, I must say. Go ahead and give them a try. Doesn't cost too much. They're very much affordable. They're made in America. Everything is bottled, packaged, and made in America. Go ahead and support their business. And again, although this was a gifted bottle, my first impression and of course the review is always going to be unbiased. Wow, really, really nice. Guys, you really need to check this out. Wonderful stuff. This is Rendezvous A New York from the house of Hayati New York. Go ahead and check them out. Their link is in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up, because I'm bringing to you new stuff, new things to experience. Until the next one, guys, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.